Hey guys, welcome back to another planning video, and today I'm going to be setting up my monthly spread. So I've been sent a kit from Lily Blossom Designs and I am now a PR for her stickers, which are honestly absolutely gorgeous. So if you want to make a purchase from her store, I'll link it down below for you guys, and you can also use my code Lorna20, which will give you 20% off your total order. So I chose the Love Witch monthly kit, and honestly it's absolutely gorgeous. I was so excited when I saw this kit for February, since it's my birthday month, and it was just super pretty, pink and girly and full of love. So I'm just going in with the top headers and just laying those down. I really didn't know where I wanted to put things with this kit, just since I'm using my Erin Condren now as a memory planner. I didn't want to use all of the boxes that came in there, so I kind of just did the most basic deco you could ever do. But there was so many stickers in this kit that I was actually able to do a full week in February as well. I absolutely love using my Erin Condren. It's beautiful as a work planner as well as a memory planner as well. So I love, love, love it. I'll leave my link down below. It is an affiliate link and I don't get paid for it as such, but I do get, like, say if you bought something on that link, I would earn some points and then I can spend those on the website, which, you know, would feed my addiction. So I'll leave it linked down below if you want to purchase anything from the Erin Condren website. Also, if you hear any noises in the background, just know that I'm sat in my office at work quickly doing this voiceover, so there may be a few extra sounds that you're not used to hearing, but I had to get it done some way, somehow, so here I am. I'm just laying down the date covers now, and they are these cute little hot pink like flags, and honestly I just love the way kits and spreads come together once you start like doing all the little finishing touches. So I recently signed up to the Simply Gilded sub box, and these are my first lot of washi from her website. I am in love with it, and yeah, I'm just adding that to the bottom because I thought that rose gold would go super nicely with this spread, since it's super cute and girly, and those little bows on there are just adorable. And this is the final look. So as I say, I like to leave it quite blank because I'm going to be filling in memories and like either a quote or sentence for the day or just a highlight of the day in each box. I'm not actually using it as a planner. So yeah, loving it, loving this kit. Don't forget to check out the shops and everything mentioned. I'll link it down below, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.